The first section of this video introduces Ruff, a highly efficient Python linter and code formatter developed in Rust. It demonstrates how Ruff can be utilized from the PowerShell terminal to provide succinct feedback on code quality, style, and potential issues. For illustrative purposes, a Python script with several code issues is created. Ruff has the capability to automatically rectify a subset of these issues directly from the command line, simply by incorporating the fix option. The second section of the video showcases the integration of Ruff with Vim, achieved through a Vim 9 plugin. The same Ruff executable can also function as a language server protocol, LSP, when the preview option is included in the server command. However, it's important to note that this functionality is still in its experimental phase. Within Vim, lines with warnings and errors are displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Additionally, functions are available to execute code actions provided by the language server and to display diagnostic messages from the language server for the current buffer in a new location list. This comprehensive integration enhances the user's coding experience by providing real-time feedback and automated solutions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.